Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we are solving the problem reverse words. So the description of this question is: complete the function that accepts a string parameter and reverses each word in the string. All spaces in the string should be retained. So these are the examples. So this is an example. We'll go to something like that. But as you can see, the words are reversed, but the order of the words are remained. So here double spaces will remain also here, because all spaces in the string should be retained. Yeah, this problem is listed on Code Wars, and I just solved it, and I thought, why not make a video about it. Yeah, so at first we have to write the function. So const reverse words equals to, we have to take a parameter which we are going to name string, and what we will have to do is we have to split the words. So we have to make a word array where each word has its own place in an array. So we will write let word array equal to string dot split, and we will split by the spaces here. Then we will use a map function to reverse the words. So let reversed words equals to the word array, and we will map over it. We'll make a variable called, I don't know, word, it's the simplest, and we will return word dot split. So we will split the words in, not by a space but by each character. That's why we don't write anything in here. And we will reverse the words, and because they all have its own place now in the array, we will put them all together with join. And yeah, this is the reverse array, and this is just the letter reversing, and we will put them also together. So let put together, let's call it just like that, equals to reversed words dot join. This means that this line just puts the words together, separated by a space, and we will log the output. So console.log put together, or we call it better res, because yeah, so I've called it res because it's better for understanding. And we will log now the word, so we will call the function reverse words, and what we will do is just, for example, log hello world, and what we will do is to log a few sentences. So I've made a few calls, and we will see if it also detects the double spaces. And let's run the code. So and it has an error. I made the mistake that I forgot a D, because these are almost the same, and now I called here the function again, so now it should work. So yeah, hello world reversed, that's hard. Yeah, subscribe to me, and have you already liked the, yes, and it respected the double spaces video. So if you liked the video, leave a like and comment what topic my next video should be about. Otherwise, subscribe to me, it would help out a lot for growing my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.